like now I got something else to figure out. I got so used to that other oven, but I hope this is gonna be way better. So I think there's a red thing keeping you from opening. It's like a safety seal. Okay, there we go.
Remove the 4 first use.
Yep. Oh, you just pull it open one side.
Yep.
And they both open.
Yeah, you can pull both at the same time.
Oh.
That's what it said in the owner's manual.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Duh. These are French doors. Oh, it's... Woo, you can smell the newness on that. We both work together here.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, wait. I need to move this. I don't think anybody can see. Oh, yeah, they can. It's turned over here a bit. Yeah.
Doesn't even try to plug like Black and Deck.
So plug it in. Whoa, it's...
Done?
Yeah. I don't know. We need to read the instructions. This.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this out. So this is the crumb
Right.
tray.
Yeah.
Are you in the yeah. Crumb tray. So let me get on this other side. This guy. Oh, there's 4 things of this.
Yeah.
So we got a
Yeah, you got an air fry basket, a baking pan, and an oven rack.
wow. Stepping it up. Stepping it up.
So however it goes,
What?
well, that's in the middle, that's at the top, and that pan's at the bottom.
Okay, so
So
that,
it's up to you how you set this up, okay? So how do you want to set
well,
that
I'll
up?
just set it up. If I need to take that out, I'll take it
Yeah.
out. So they have it like this,
Yeah.
right?
And
This goes in
Yeah.
the middle,
yeah,
and then.
that up there at the top.
But when I go to cook,
Yeah, when you go to cook.
I don't need all that in
yeah,
there.
yeah, you don't need all that in there. You
Okay.
recording?
Yep, I'm recording.